Selling on BigIron.com December 17, 2014. 2005 Ford F550 boom truck with 203,761 miles showing. It has an automatic transmission, 6.0-liter Power-Stroke diesel engine. The tires are 225/70R 19.5s. It is a XL Super Duty 4x4. It has an all-tech service body with boom model TA37M. It has a 37.3-foot working platform, 2 downriggers, electric winch, rear hydraulics, a PTO, air conditioning and heat, a radio, and factory electric brake controller. For more information, call Chad at 308-379-4819. Thank you for visiting BigIron.com.